Good afternoon. I would like to begin by thanking Dr. Nilson Giger, President of Water Services and Technology, for his work in Kazakhstan. His company contributes to a crucial sector of the Kazakh economy, the mining industry. And it does so by employing sustainable technology to ensure the preservation of the country's most precious natural resource, water. But you are transforming more than just knowledge and experience in cutting-edge technologies. You are bringing to Kazakhstan a transformative vision about the strategic management of water in a country where this resource is increasingly scarce. We are proud to see how your company's knowledge and technology contribute not only to the sustainable development of Kazakhstan, but also to the advancement of relations between our two countries, projecting Brazil as a reference internationally in modern technology. The Brazilian embassy in Astana will continue to be at your disposal, therefore, to take forward the successful partnership in supporting Brazilian entrepreneurship overseas. Thank you.